Okay, this is how the sound of the engine will be for the stock air filter. First time I am starting the bike today. Should run for some time at least. The weather is so beautiful today. It rained yesterday. Okay, let's get this bike started. Gave it the kickstart. As I need to choke it at least once, such that it's stopping. Okay, I understand. We have the bike sound. This is the sound with the stock air filters. Okay. I will need to change this to the high flow air filters. Okay, I'll just get this started. You see the difference in size of the stock air filter and the K&N air filter RO5010. Is size is different, and also the length. I feel the screw length needs to be longer in order to fit. Need to get a longer screw to fit this. They said that it will be directly fitting, but it is not. Let's see. It's small. Air filter is small than the stock one, but it fits. See this length. There's some extra space. So is it tight? I don't think it has to be so tight. Okay. Now let's start this vehicle. Stock one. sound feels different. We need to do some test runs to find out.